Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Oh, my friends, today we're gonna play a little game of Trail Forks Roulette. I've been looking at the map and I found some very interesting trails that are very divisive on Trail Forks, where half the people are like, these aren't even trails, why would anyone take a mountain bike on them? And the other half are like, oh my God, these are crazy, technical, really tough trails. So that's the kind of adventure I want to get into. Once again, I was very afraid of the weather because back at our place, it was freezing, but it's actually okay. So I think I still keep the red jacket on, but not the underneath fleece.
I think I'm gonna go jacketless. I'm
You're
gonna
going
be cold
naked
for a bit, but I think once we move, I'm gonna be good.
It's so scary. Nobody wants to be cold. The Ritmo is feeling dialed. Keep the air pressures high, and you are good to go out here in the unforgiving desert.
In the desert?
Desert. It's like dessert, but it's different. Biggest mistake of the trip so far is only bringing my rinky-dinky Fox knee pads that Fox sent me, and I was going to try out, and I kind of would wear them on off days, but I'm missing my big old Scott knee pads so much. Look at Sampler's got big old knee pads here.
These are the only ones I wear. Get one thing I like and wear it till it's dead.
And it's just, this is just such a half measure. It's, I'm gonna wear them because if I hit my knee on the top tube, then I'll be like, but I'm not looking forward to the day when they don't work, when I need them most. Oh, you're bundled up now.
I'm gonna change your heart. The sun didn't come out the whole time we were getting ready, so it's a little breezy.
It's behind that dark cloud now.
I think there's still a good percentage chance that we regret wearing jackets.
I think so too. It's gonna be nice. There is more parking down below, but we decided to take the chance, and there's like 3 spots up here, and we got one. So this one's called Cub Scout. Then there's Boy Scout. Then there's Adventure Scout.
Oh my goodness.
So this is the easy one.
My legs. It's pretty physical right from the beginning.
Oh no.
Oh. Yes, Brian. Yes.
Oh. Horrifying. Whoa. I was like, it's only gonna be 6 miles, so I bet it's gonna be rough.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, but we are coming back on this?
Exactly, so we'll out and back everything, I think.
It already makes sense why it's so polarizing
Yeah.
for people.
Hey, I'm feeling a little warm.
I was literally just thinking about throwing my jacket off.
Oh, I saw you dancing on that one.
Slot in there. I'll take my jacket off.
Yeah,
I won't say I told us so.
we told us so. That was a giant rock.
Oh my God, I thought I was just gonna knock it off.
Yeah. Nice. Oh my God, you were on
I barely got the back top.
you were on the edge.
I know I barely got it, I can tell.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
It's not so hard that it's one of those challenges that we have to session to get, but it's like just slightly easier. So we like barely make it through each section, then there's another one right after it.
Exactly.
That's tough riding.
Oh yeah.
Dude, be careful, man.
Surfing. We reached the peak. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The over-under.
I wish my suspension was open.
Oh, you people that lock out your suspension. Nice. Oh. Fuck. Oh, get this, get this. Nice.
Yeah. That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was not easy. Wow.
You're so right, where it's like everything is 5% below our pay grade. So it's like, okay, we got this. Okay, we got this. Oh God. Hard.
Yeah, there's no like one gigantic move. It's all like just pretty big moves.
Yeah.
And it wears you down. Oh, it's not even a switchback.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Any room.
Oh. Oh.
I'm so afraid.
He's not big on the exposure. Who is? Oh.
Be careful about picking up speed.
Yeah. Hard left. Yeah. Oh. Up, up, and away. Nice.
I can't believe I got that.
A little exposure.
Dude, I took 1 feet that way and I ruined it.
So nasty. It's a good warm-up for when we do flying monkey. Exposure therapy. Nice. Oh, I slipped. Oh,
Sorry.
it's all good. My shorts are falling down. Our pets' heads are falling off. Oh, oh. Okay, here we go. Actually, a trail marker. So we're gonna go left, and that'll give us a loop. We just did Cub Scout, now we're on Boy Scout.
Okay, okay.
A little bit like Rough Rider Canyon in El Paso, except for that place is harder than this.
Really?
It's so nasty. Imagine riding this on a nice 100-degree day in the summer.
No thanks.
Oh man. How many miles does it say we did? 2. You said you wanted to get back in shape.
I did, man.
We're doing it.
We are.
One heinous rock switchback at a time.
I do not think my heart has like hit resting
Totally.
since we started. Hey,
This is where fitness and skill come together
we're going for it.
like nothing else. Beautiful red rocks in the background.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
Momentum!
Man, I gotta find like the perfect gear.
Yeah, to power back up
I
those.
don't want to be in tough of a gear as I'm in,
Yeah,
but I don't want to just lunge forward when I go to pedal.
yeah. Nice.
Ah,
Good. Yeah. Oh. Ugh. Woo. And now, okay, it's a left here. Oh. That is a. Oh. Hard left up this thing. You're a champ if you get it. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. And then I don't know what the hell that is. Dude. Victory! That was amazing. Oh. Oh. That was really good.
I would never think I should just do that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Come on!
Yeah. Oh, he's going for it. Oh.
Oh my God, I almost did it.
Oh, there's no way there's enough oxygen in my blood right now to actually continue that. Whoa.
Yeah, bud.
Nasty.
Nasty.
Front wheel in the air, just hoping it hits down.
They could see from the footage that you're on the edge.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Ugh.
Oh God. Right.
Shit rolls. No.
Switch action.
Oh.
This is awesome.
Shout out to Christopher Shinanan.
Sha-na-na-na-na-na.
Appreciate it. Putting us through the ringer here. Oh no.
What are you on? Is this going straight?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
All right.
That's some Chris to Craig stuff.
Oh man, it's totally possible. Oh.
How did you just do that?
There's more where that came from. Yeah. Checkpoint 1. Wow. Good stuff.
Yes!
Nice. You got it. Never doubted it. It looks pretty good. This one looks, okay. Maybe the more I look at it, the line is up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Where's your momentum? That's what it's all about. Ooh, good attack. Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
zero momentum. Doop.
I tried not eagle, not better.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I was so scared for you.
Good thing that rock is there.
Oh, I was so nervous for you, man. Oh my God, don't do that again.
I know what I'm doing. Same thing. Oh, what if I get on my bike and we film me going down backwards and then we reverse the footage?
I mean, dude, if you can fake you down this, power to you, man, because you're better than Fabio Widmer.
I need some CGI.
Oh my God.
There's more. I'll see you on the trail.
There's no way anyone will have any idea except the locals how crazy what you just did is. I mean, that is, bro. You are king of the mountain today.
Crazy.
God, I can't believe you did that. Like, serious, bro. Dude. Yeah. It sucked all the momentum.
It did. You had a really good run. Next time.
Not that way.
Yeah. Whoa. The wide open blue yonder.
Yeah.
Here we go. Whoa.
This is so cool. You came in with the last piece.
Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Up top. Whoa. And now I'm gonna puke.
You were just, where did you find that energy?
Makes it fun.
Holy.
Oh, such cool snaking action here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, don't let it break you. So we've done the out. Now we're gonna do the back. It's a left. Oh. Hard right. Hard right. Yeah.
Slow down too much.
It's over here. Oh! Edges. Sure.
Right on my way back to take.
That was the whole thing.
Oh my god.
That was like 2 seconds. That was 2 seconds.
It was so good.
That was cool though.
That was a fantastic downhill.
Definitely. Oh, the full experience. Oh wow. That's nasty. Hold your poop in. It does tend to come out on that turn. Oh, there he goes. Help him out.
It was bound to happen. I don't even have the energy to get up.
I'll send for help.
Oh, I just want to stay on the ground.
Hey, that was our first one.
Ow. I went on my forearm.
Oh. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
I hear ya. Oh. 29er for life. I'm so glad that I saw the derision in the Trail Forks comments. I would say this is like a hard black. This is a BC black. It's pretty much a double black diamond for most people the whole way. Nothing's easier or harder than any of the other sections that we've done. There are other blue trails out here, but wow, what an awesome test. Yee. So glad this is only going to turn out to be maybe 7 miles because this is brutal mileage. Oh. Uphill both ways. Oh. Ah! That was cool. Fear for your life around every turn. Oh. Stay right. Yeah. Oh yeah. Money. I see your jacket.
Did you really?
Yeah. Bong, ba bong, bong, bong. Oh yeah. Oh. That was perfect. This is definitely my style of fitness course.
Right.
You go out and back just to get a workout in. Instead of uppy downy, blue square, kind of boring, where you have to pedal hard, this is full engagement, still wearing you out.
I think this would be amazing enduro training too. The winning and the losing in enduro is definitely on the flat stuff and making sure you can connect the dots. Nice. Oh yeah. Remember, it starts to get spicy. That very last section.
I remember.
Yeah. Ooh. Takes every tool in your mountain bike toolkit. Balance, speed, commitment, line spotting. Whoa. Woo. Oh yeah. Solid.
I'm so tired.
If it was another mile, we'd be dead.
Oh, that was awesome, man.
Solid.
That was really fun.
Can I interest you in a red one?
Dude, normally I would say no, but like, it sounds amazing right now. I am down. Oh, that made it even more, like, a little dramatic. Cheers, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. It's so sugary.
The gambling paid off.
Yeah. I'm so happy we did it. You just brought it up last night. I was like, why not? You know, there's a ton of trails that we know out here.
Exactly. We have a ton of known commodities that we will get to. We have time to get to, but this is kind of the reason we're here longer. We can take risks and then find like, whoa, that was badass.
Yeah, I was, you know, it could have just as easily been a wash and no video, and we'd be a little bummed on it. Not really, because we got out on road, but yeah, the way down was kind of like getting. It was like we got thrown in a dryer. It's like you're tumble drying just
Back,
the way
forth.
down.
And
it was physical.
Coming back was like way faster.
Oh my gosh.
Even though it's not like, I bet if you look at the elevation map, it's probably like kind of almost a straight flat line, but
Right.
7.9 miles
Yeah.
round trip total. It's like multiply that by 3 and then you feel about what it was.
Overall, really physical trail. I like that type of climbing. I like to challenge myself
Me too.
rather than just
Me too.
a boring, put your head down, you know, road climb. And I think it would only get better the more you ride it and the more in shape you are, right? Because the harder
Exactly.
you can push, the more you can link those sections together and the more flow you'll
And it
find.
just
You
comes
did
together.
really good.
Yeah, on that
finding
one.
flow.
Yeah, I jumped ahead on that one. I'm like, okay, let's and then I could see it. And the trail's
Right.
so hard to see, but you find it and you see it. Like,
Right.
it's a million challenges in one, which is, we're looking for that.
Yeah, man.
And you could totally tell if you're more of an intermediate rider, you come out, you're just gonna have a horrible time.
Yeah. I think like 2-3 years ago, I would have gotten out here and hated my life. But it turned out to be 6.8 miles, was it? Or 7.8?
7.9.
7.9.
All said and done.
That's solid. That's a great,
yeah.
afternoon ride.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good find. I don't even know where you found it, but
Yeah, just trail forks.
We made a point of not watching any videos, doing no research. You just found the name and
Yeah.
that it was like pretty close to us, and we were like, let's go. Let's just roll the dice.
So the next day, I wanted to get my knee pad situation figured out and buy some bigger, bulkier ones. Went to Over the Edge in Hurricane, and they were closed on a Saturday at 2 p.m. What in the world? I hope they're not out of business. And then for dinner, we headed over to River Rock Roasting Company. They do more than really good coffee. They have pizzas. We both got our personal pizzas. I got a pepperoni. It was awesome. Sampler got a bunch of stuff on his. Very good. We both enjoyed it. More than I could eat. Even though it looked like a small little 12-inch, I still had a few pieces left over. 2 awesome rides, done and dusted. The winter sessions are off to a fantastic start. Let's do a few more. Stay tuned. Stick with me. But most of all, ride something new, and maybe I'll see you on the trail.